Hey guys, this is TechVibes. Today I will show you how to unblock Fire TV apps that have been disabled by Amazon. This happens when Amazon thinks an app is a security risk or handles piracy. I will show you how to get around this right now using a free app cloner. This process is a bit of a cat and mouse game with Amazon, but it works. Stick around until the end for tips on how to completely avoid these blocks without cloning anything. First, install the free downloader application through the Amazon App Store. Make sure you get the official version by AFTV News. Once downloader is installed, launch the app. Press the up button on your remote. Click the OK button to open the keyboard. Type in the code 250931 and hit go. This code opens a free downloader toolbox. If this is your first time using the toolbox, you should save it as a favorite. Hold down the OK button on your remote for a few seconds. Click Add Current Page to Favorites, then Save. Now you can bypass the 5-second load screen with ads in the future. Scroll down to find the Tools and Utilities section. Click on App Cloner. This link always points to the latest release. Hit download and then install. It might take a moment to install because Amazon compares apps with their block list database. Be patient and it will finish. Once done, delete the installation file to save space. Go back to your home screen. If you previously saw a screen saying an app is harmful, click Dismiss instead of Uninstall. The app will disappear from your main launcher, but it is still on your device. We are going to clone it. Cloning gives the app a new signature so it can bypass the Amazon block. Open App Cloner and move down to click Proceed and Agree, grant the necessary permissions. Turn on unknown apps for App Cloner in your settings. Go back into the App Cloner and select the app want to clone. If you try to launch the blocked app normally, it will fail. We need to change its internal code. I prefer leaving the original app on the device in case the clone fails. The best option to select is Clone with Server Compatibility. This option has the most success. Click Install and wait. The installation might hang because the device is checking with Amazon servers. The new signature will let the app pass the security check. Once installed, click Done. The cloned app will now appear in your main list of applications and will launch perfectly. To avoid confusion, you can uninstall the broken original app. Go into App Cloner, highlight the original app, and hit Uninstall. Now you are just left with the working clone. Sometimes a cloned app might not show thumbnails for movies. If this happens, uninstall the clone and try the process again using a different cloning option in the menu. To avoid cloning completely, here are 2 great tips. First, use Stremio. It's highly ranked and available directly on the official Amazon App Store. It is free of malware and has no annoying ads. Second, switch to an Android TV box. They do not have these strict restrictions. I highly recommend the ON 4K Plus or Pro models to unleash your full streaming potential. To stay secure, I highly recommend using NordVPN on your device. Check the installation link in the description and pinned comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to TechVibes for more tech tutorials. Have an awesome day.